Guys, hope y'all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rahat and today I'm gonna share the very first haul of 2021 and that is from Nykaa basically. So I would be showing all the things I have bought from Nykaa recently. Also, this makeup look right here which I have created just now will go live on Tuesday before this video probably. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So y'all, as usual, I will show you the packages. They are right here and I don't have much, but there's a lot of stuff inside this. So for your kind information, I am starting off with a new venture which is bridal makeovers. So till now I used to do makeup on myself, but I have decided and I have already started doing bridals. So for that I needed a lot of stuff. So not just from Nykaa, I have ordered a lot of things from other websites and you know, people who deal in makeup basically from them. So I would share that as well with you. If you want to see all of that, just comment down below. So yeah, let's start with this haul right now with me and yeah, let's see. So I'll be opening this one right here, this box. This is quite big, as you can see. If you have ever received Nykaa's packages, like they send in different sizes according to the stuff you have bought. Like if they are a lot, they'll send you a bigger box, and or else these smaller boxes. So these are the products which are there inside, and I'll just pick one by one and show you. So the very first thing, as you saw, is this one. This is PAC's lashes. These are probably my favorite lashes, and this is in the number PAC M73, and I just love these lashes, you guys, just because it has, you know, wing from here, and it is sort of very nice for probably smaller eye looking, for smaller eyes, and also if you're going for something like halo or something. So this is a very nice pick for that. Next up is a backup, which is this lash glue by PAC again. I just love their lash glues, and actually these are very dependable. I mean, you can definitely buy this on my recommendation, because this is a very nice glue for your lashes, fake lashes. Third thing is again by PAC. You would say that I have bought a lot of things from PAC. So this is the stuff. These are mini puffs. I mean, when I saw them on the website, they looked quite bigger, but then when I received it, I'll just show you. These are like teeny mini tiny, but I just love the size though, because you can just reach out to your inner corners and places where your brushes and stuff can't reach probably. So you could just reach to smaller places with this puff right here. So yeah, love it. Alright, guess what? The fourth thing again is by PAC, and that is a brush. Actually I have brushes, but then I wanted some very nice precise liner brush. So this is the brush which PAC makes, and this is quite on an expensive side actually. This costed me around 515 rupees, and this is how it is. It gets open like this, and then you have to attach it from here, and this is how the brush becomes like this and ready to use. This has a very nice stiff bristle. It is stiff enough to create that wing. I mean, if you want that precise and very nice winged eyeliner, definitely invest in a good brush, and if you are a makeup artist or something, you must get your hands on this one. Next up is a compact powder. This is by Kiko. This is called Baked Powder and Radiant Fusion Baked Powder, and this is in the shade 03. I'll just show you how does it look like. So basic Kiko packaging, if you would say, see their bronzers and everything, they all are like same, and this is how the powder looks like. This is quite like on peachy side, so if you are between NC 30 25 to 30, this will suit you, the number 03. So I wanted to have at least 2 or 3 shades in compacts, so I called for 2 shades in Kiko. So one is 03, which I just showed you, and one is 02. So yeah, this is sort of my color. This is perfect for my skin tone, and this is quite like darker for my skin tone. So NC 30 or 35 are the best shades to go with this compact powder. So yeah, these are very radiant and good powders, you guys. I would definitely use like the 02 one in my upcoming videos so that you would see. Next stuff I have bought from Calabar, which is this. This is a perfect match primer. I wanted to buy this stuff like since the longest time now, and this came in sale, so I just did not waste any more time and bought this one. This is how it looks like. I thought it must be bigger than this, but it came like, can you see, it's too small. And I'll just open it in front of you and show you the consistency. I think it is a silicone based primer, so this is how you're supposed to twist it, if I'm not wrong. Yes, and I'll just remove a little bit. Yes, it is a gel like primer, and this is basically a silicone based primer. Wow, that is smooth and very nice. I'm really looking forward to use this one. And then I got this Color Bars Spotlight Illuminating Lotion. Actually these two were under some offer, and you were getting these two for 1299 or something like that. I will just give you the link down below, so do check that out. And I was really eyeing on this product as well since the longest time now. This is how the bottle looks like, and you just have to twist it and it comes out, and I will just take a drop and show you. It is basically a illuminating lotion, so you can apply this under your foundation, you can wear it like under your BB cream or whatever you apply on the daily basis. Can you see that glow right there? Oh my god, I'm really looking forward to use this one as well. Next up, I've called for lip liners, so I've got 4 here. So 2 are by Kiko, 1 is by Forever 52, and 1 is by K by Katrina. Actually I already own 3 of the lip liners by Katrina's K Beauty, and the formulation is beyond expectations, and that is so beautiful on your lips and so smooth, and the application is like what not. I mean, I cannot just name the you know, good things about it. So yeah, it is in the shade I'm a Fan, and it is sort of a reddish red color, but a brick red or something like that. I'll just give you a swatch here. So yeah, this is a berry red kind of a shade. Can you see that? I hope it's visible. So yeah, this is quite a nice shade, and I would definitely use this on my brides in future. And the next one is by Forever 52, and I was just looking for the shade name, and it is called, what is it called? Never mind, I'll give you the shade name in the description box, so do check that out. So I will just give you a swatch here. So as you can see, this is a very beautiful peachy pink shade. I mean, such a beautiful shade, oh my god. I can just use it under any nude lipstick like pinky nude. Even right now, which I'm wearing right here, I could just line my lips with it. Look at that. You can wear anything under this lip liner. Basically, if you have a very nice pink or peachy kind of a lip balm as well, you can just wear this and just top it up with your lip balm and you're good to go. So next two are by Kiko Milano, and these don't come with names but numbers. So this one is in the number 509 and the other one is in the number 523. So I will just show you the swatches of these two. So one I am using is 509 first. So here is the swatch. This is like very subtle peach shade. I mean, you can't even notice. So if I want to have a very nice nude peachish lips, and if I am doing some sort of smoky eye and something, so I could definitely use this lip liner. And the other one is a very nice fuchsia. Oh my god, can you see that? Such a beautiful fuchsia shade, and I'm just looking forward to use all of these. So next up is by Nykaa Luxe, the luxury store. So when you buy a luxury product from Nykaa, basically they send you in this black box right here. So let's open it and remove the charm. Ta-da! Oh my god, the cutest thing, isn't it? This is by Becca, you guys. Oh my god, this is Champagne Pop limited edition, and I was eyeing on this product since the longest time now. I mean, ever since Becca got launched on Nykaa. Also, I've got one more highlighter. If you remember, or if you watch my videos regularly, I've got this in prismatic amethyst, and this is sort of a very nice pink highlighter, but I wanted the Champagne Pop from Becca, and I am just living for this packaging right here, you guys. Isn't it so beautiful? And this is how it gets open. I have definitely opened it, but I haven't swatched it yet. Such a cute and beautiful packaging. Oh my god, this is purple pink, I mean very nice lavender shade, and I will just open it. Ta-da! Oh my god, look at that. Now I don't know if my camera does the justice to this, because this is such a beautiful shade in person, you guys. So beautiful, and it'll just work on any skin tone. I mean, even if you are light, dark, medium, whatever, but this is gonna look fantastic on your face. So I will just give you a quick swatch of it. Can you see that? So blinding. Oh my god. So I'll just swatch it here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Such a blinding highlighter. And yeah, I don't have to say anything about this. So I got a freebie with it, and I love it when I get free stuff from brands, and Becca will send you some sort of gifts if you buy like of more than 1500 or something. Actually, the offers vary from day to day and week to week, like that. So I'll just show you. This is a very nice champagne colored makeup pouch right here. This is how it looks like, and I'm just crushing on it. I can't really wait to put my stuffs in this. This is a very nice travel bag, you guys. So beautiful. And if you want this bag as well, go to the Nykaa website and buy Becca products. So yeah, this is not sponsored, okay? So guys, that's all for today's haul. I'm just waiting for my other products to reach to me, and as soon as I get them, I will definitely share a haul with you, so that even if you want to buy something online from different sites, you could definitely check them out. So as usual, do let me know in comments down below which product did you like the most, and which one would you buy for yourself and would love to use. And yeah, I would just wait for your comments. I always do, so do comment down below, you guys. So guys, I'll take your leave now, but before you leave, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also press the bell icon for future videos of mine. And yeah, I will see you in my next one super soon. Till then, take care. I love you guys so much. Bye guys.